ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí kan ẹ̀wọ̀n fídíò tí wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi àti máa pè é fún ẹ̀wọ̀n oríṣiríṣi àṣírí ló tún nínú fídíò oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ kí ìgbà púpọ̀ lẹ́nu dáa fún wa lórí kan níbà like comment and subscribe ẹ ṣe àwọn fídíò tó agbára mi máa jẹ ìgbádùn àwọn content báyìí ẹ̀wọ̀n kan máa fi ẹ̀wà pọ̀lọpọ̀ wá ẹ ká tó gbé abẹ́.
This means every provision in this cybercrime, prohibitions, preventions, etc. Again, Latin number one. Number one, unauthorized access. Section 3. Accessing someone else's phone, laptop, account without permission. Èmi ni mo ṣe yan bí Iyabo Ojo. Èyí tó bá jẹ́ ti tèmi, ẹ sọ pé Lizzy Anjorin. Èyí tó bá jẹ́ ti Iyabo Ojo, ẹ kọ síbẹ̀ pé Iyabo Ojo. The new law of cybercrime. Number one, unauthorized access to someone's phone, laptop, account without permission. Ta ló ń ṣe yẹn? Lizzy Anjorin or Iyabo Ojo. That is 5 years in prison. Tampering with data, deleting, modifying, interfering with other people's digital data. Another 5 years. Iyabo Ojo or Lizzy Anjorin. Number 3, disclosure of critical informations. Disclosure of critical informations. Sharing classified and sensitive data without proper authority. 15 years. Ṣé Iyabo Ojo ló ń ṣe yàbí Lizzy? When they post something, Iyabo Ojo tó sáré lọ ń fi orúkọ mi, ó mọ ohun tó ń ṣe, because Iyabo Ojo ẹ má gbàgbé pé bàbá tó jẹ́ ẹni tí ó gbé òfin jáde, the man is also a victim just like Lizzy Anjorin in the hand of this lover. Don't forget the man, the Senate that did all this. The man is also a victim just like Lizzy in the hand of who? This lover. Who was the person that used this lover to go live? Iyabo Ojo. Who was the person the whole world are pointing finger to as this lover? Iyabo Ojo. Now, that is number 3. Number 3, disclosure of critical information. Bí ká sọ pé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kú sínú ilé, kéèyàn tún dé lọ́jọ́ kejì kó ní ọ̀kadà ló gbé, kó tún lọ hospital ló kú sí. Bírú káwọn òkú kú kó jẹ́ pé gistlover ló máa sáré post yẹ, wọ́n máa gbé ní udity àwọn èèyàn síta. Number 4, recording private conversation. Recording private conversation. Recording private conversation without authorization. Kí ni Iyabo Ojo fi ń jẹun? Is it Lizzy Anjorin or Iyabo Ojo? Kí ni Iyabo Ojo fi ń jẹun? We all know that recording people secretly is what put food on Iyabo Ojo's table. Ṣé Lizzy Anjorin náà ló tún nìyẹn? Mo má dá yín lóhùn láti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan àbọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tọ́nà ń tàgì gbá wọ́n ń tàgì àwọn mo má dá, because Iyabo Ojo mọ̀ pé ayé òun ti bàjẹ́ pẹ̀lú òfin tuntun yìí. Òfin tẹ̀ ń wò yìí, òfin ti exonerate Naira Marley. Ẹ rí pé Iyabo Ojo ti lọ comment sọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley. Did you see where Iyabo Ojo comment under Naira Marley's post? Did you see it or not? Now we can bring back Sariyu's case and Iyabo Ojo's case now with this law. With this law. It is only recording private conversation, recording private discussion without authorization, even if you are part of the conversation. Even if you are part of the conversation. 2 years. Eléyìí, disclosure of critical informations, 15 years. Ẹ má bá Iyabo Ojo káyé ẹ̀wọ̀n o. Publishing fake news. Ta ló máa ń publish fake news? Ṣé kìí ṣe Iyabo Ojo? Tó bá ti wá délẹ̀, á náà sọ fún òun ni. Iyabo Ojo ló sọ pé àwọn ọmọ òun lọ lé Naira Marley. Ó ṣe common entrance. Ó tún yá ó ní DJ Splash ló sọ fún òun pé orí ọmọ òun gbóná. Ọmọ òun ti fàgbẹ́ yó. Ẹ máa kábọ̀ ó ní recording ó ní publishing fake news. Online harassment and abuse. Ta ló ṣe online harassment and abuse tó Iyabo Ojo? bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ Iyabo pé ṣe kí ló ń ṣe. Do you know why Iyabo Ojo harass people? Because she want to force you to pay ransom under Gistlover. It's only Iyabo Ojo that does not have a job. Who harass people? Ó lóhun lóyún, ó fi harass èèyàn. Ó bímọ lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, ó fi harass àwọn èèyàn. Ó bímọ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì, ó fi harass àwọn èèyàn. Àwọn followers ẹ̀ gan, ìdí harassment ni gbogbo èèyàn fi hate ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá rántí nígbà kan tó lóhun òun ṣe ọjọ́ òkú ọmọ òun láì ṣe ìgbéyàwó. Alára àwọn fans ẹ̀ ń sọ fún pé, why are you using your party to bully Lizzy and very dark man? Do these people come for you? Ibi harassment Iyabo Ojo ló ti ṣubú fọ́tayọ̀. Ibi ká máa harass èèyàn kiri ló ti ṣubú fọ́tayọ̀. Now listen to this. Inciting ethnic religious hatred. Iyabo, ta ló máa lọ háyà àwọn èèyàn kọ́lọ́ tó wá gbé ẹ ṣubú nínú ayé. Another one. Important for group and page admin. Important for group. Iyabo ti ṣe wọn. Iyabo ti ẹ ti ta. Shege. If you manage a WhatsApp group, Facebook page, Telegram channel, níbi tán ti ń gbé ìhòòhò síta, or any online community, you can be held responsible for what member post. Hey, ó dẹ̀ ló ti lọ ṣe DNA. Ó dẹ̀ ló ti lọ ṣe DNA. Now, ṣé Zee Mama ti ṣe show yẹn ni? If you knowingly allow illegal content or fail to moderate, the law holds you accountable. Stay safe. Ẹjọ́ nínú gbogbo nǹkan tán gbé jáde yìí, ẹ rí pé kò ní comment ni, because kò sí nǹkan tó jẹ́ ti Lizzy Anjorin. Iyabo Ojo mọ̀ pé ayé òun ti bàjẹ́, pàápàá jùlọ pẹ̀lú kéèsì Naira Marley àti kéèsì ẹnu ìṣó. Now we can bring back issue of ẹnu ìṣó, the recording, we can bring it back. Dorcas sọ GS abọ́ọ̀dù gbogbo yín, this is a new law. Mo kàn wọ́n yín láti jẹ tàbí jẹrin ni. Ṣẹ́gbọ́n, truly her daughter didn't give birth in Canada from a true source. Ẹjọ́ èèyàn, ta ló harass èèyàn, ta ló bully èèyàn tó Iyabo Ojo? Olórí burúkú ọmọ olè. Now ẹ ti rí gbogbo òfin tó kà sílẹ̀ o, so ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ sí ibi ilé gangan ni mo fẹ́ sáré ṣe lálẹ́ kí fóònù tó kù bọ̀ how many percent ilé ṣe yọ ẹjọ́ má bínú bọ̀ ẹ má bínú. Now eléyìí ó dà pé mo rí kan ní ọ̀dọ̀ ṣe lè náà ni ṣé ọ̀dọ̀ àmọ̀rí ọ̀rẹ́ mi rẹ̀ bọ̀ mo ń wá kinní tó ń sọ ní o gbogbo ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ tójú súyàn ń dẹ̀ rí lọ́dọ̀ àmọ̀rí o ṣẹ́ni tí wàá gbá mi blọ́ọ̀kì ni ó ga ọ ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ ẹ jẹ́ kí n bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká wọlé. The
bullying she does on social media is so terrible that
ṣé mi náà sọ ṣé mi náà ni mo bully. The daughter did not give birth at all. Mi ni wa yin ṣé bí mo sọ Iyabo Ojo fẹ́ tọrọ balance ẹ̀ níbi ti dé ṣé mi náà sọ pé mo bully ń bọ̀ ẹ̀jọ̀ update mi now ṣé mi náà sọ pé mo bully ṣé victim ló bully ṣé Lizzy Anjorin tó ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó ń gba ransom lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló bully wọn báyìí lè ṣe máa sọ fún wa pé abẹ ti gbàgbé pé ẹ̀yin ni King Kong àbí we no get belle ẹ ṣáà máa gbọ́.
The bullying she does on social.
Ẹ bá mi tagi ọlọ́pàá kí lórúkọ ọlọ́pàá yìí Josephine àbí kí lórúkọ ọlọ́pàá ẹ bá mi tagi ọlọ́pàá ẹ bá mi tagi.
Media is so terrible that it's becoming something else. Honestly, the police force really need to do something about it. The issue is
so somebody is saying that now you are also talking like a bully.
like a what?
Oh, let me read it. Now you are. Where is the comment? Now you will be. Now you are also talk.
They did not report me to police. They are exposing themselves. They did not report me to police. They are exposing themselves. Ṣé mọ̀ pé tí mi ò bá di ọrùn ẹnu ìṣòmú dáadáa kò ní sún ẹ̀wọ̀n o. Ẹ gbọ́wọ́ dùn Iyabo Ojo gan ya dànù sí Man U.
Like a bully.
I'm not talking like a bully. I'm only stating the facts.
Ìwọ ló ń pè yàn kan bully. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń try láti sọ pé wọ́n náà sọ̀rọ̀ bó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jà lànà tẹ́kẹ̀tẹ́kẹ̀tẹ́kẹ̀. So tí wáyé pé wọ́n ní àwọn ẹnu ìṣó ṣe pèdè fún wọ́n ṣe pèdè fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ wàá ti já sọ́jà ti pẹ́ nìyẹn.
Stating the fact, it's all over social media. It's not a hidden thing. I'm not talking like a bully. If you come for me, I'll come for you. But I don't look for trouble, but don't look for my trouble. I'm not a bully, and I can never be a bully. The issue is this. This lady in particular, since she's a known figure, a public figure, maybe she's used as a scapegoat. I think the videos, they take advantage of the fact that the platform, social media platforms.
Ṣé èmi nìkan fi ṣe scapegoat gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tẹ́ ṣe? Ṣé èmi nìkan fi ṣe scapegoat lẹ́yìn tí gbogbo yín gba owó? Ta ni ò gba cash nínú yín? Ta ni ò gba monetization nínú yín? Èwo nínú yín ló lè jáde tó lè fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé gbogbo ohun tó ń sọ nípa Lizzy òtítọ́ ni? Ẹ tún fẹ́ kọ́lọ́pàá gbé mi kó tó fi mí ṣe scapegoat, kí ni mo ṣe? Mo ń gbọ́ yín.
Don't understand languages, our dialects in Nigeria.
Okay.
For instance, the Yoruba languages is what they use. That dialect is what is used to lay curses on widows, on a widow, on people, on kids, on infants, babies. It's so absurd. So I think if the police force should look into it, the evidence will be sending more evidences of those videos. If get somebody that can interpret in the Yoruba language to interpret these things in English, and you feel so bad, you feel so terrible at the level of bullying we have on social media. If something is not done about it, I don't know what will happen in the next, maybe say 2 years from here. So really appreciate it if the police force really look into it and take appropriate measures to checkmate these things. Please, ma'am. It's very important.
Like I said, we have the act that 2015 social media cyber crime act.
Yes.
What's in that regard?
Yes.
All we need to do is to write to us.
Yes.
So that we can act on it.
That is what I want to tell you. If anybody cyberbully you, take it to the nearest police station. Write your petition. Attach your evidence. Go to any. I said this thing 2 days ago. I said if anybody cyberbullied you, gather your evidence or evidences. Take it to the nearest police station. Go and submit it if anybody cyberbullied you. You that you are talking now, I don't know your stand. I don't know where you belong to. The police that you were calling into our show, I don't know her. I've never met her. I don't know anything about her. But one thing is this. A lot of you can go on a platform and lie. You see, don't complain on social media. Act. Act. If you have a genuine case, act. You know, police and court is not social media. Let me give you an instance. Let me give you an instance. When the bloggers started bullying me, I did my best in reporting them. But later I realized that reporting them to police is like giving them job. I mean the blackmailers. Because when police arrest them, they will go online and it used to be a double portion on the victim. They bully the victim will go to police. When police arrest that person, they take them to court. From court, they grant them bail, abi, and they will come online again to come and be begging for money and still continue to bully the victim. At least I witnessed this for more than 5 to 6 years before I become a speaker. I think there is a very strong stuff that can hold the blackmailers. The social media will be a peaceful place. Number one, any blackmailer that stays in abroad like Iyabo, if they can bring them back home to come and face the judgment. People like Dorcas, if they can expatriate them back to Nigeria. The one in Nigeria, if they can take them to prison. If Nigerian police can be taking profiles of how they were being arrested, in fact, if they use it as a method of disgracing them, and in case they want to use them for donation, police should rearrest them again and arrest people that want to use them for donation and arrest people that donate for them. That's the simple logic. Because a blind man will never mistake me for a bully or a blackmailer. How can you expect a Nigerian police to come and help you arrest your victim? Nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè, ṣé fẹ́ dá Nàìjíríà rú ni? Ṣé fẹ́ dá Nàìjíríà rú ni? The world are watching. The whole world are watching everything. How can you that you don't have a job be telling Nigerian police to come and help you to arrest someone that is extremely hardworking, someone that has never offended you, someone that has never come to you? How can you expect? Do you think police are not seeing what is going on? They saw everything. They are victims as well. They are victims as well. So I'm just telling you this, that if anybody bullies you, go to the nearest police station. Get all your documents, get everything done, and go to the nearest police station. There is something the whole world knows about Lizzy Anjorin. Lizzy Anjorin will never go for you. And do you know one thing? It depends. If you bully me, if I bullied you back, it depends on how smart your lawyer is. Because my own bully, my own side, can be out of provocation. But it's you that you provide evidence of the material you use in bullying me initially. Am I communicating? If you bully me, if I stand against you, if I take you to court, or if you go to station, I will insist that they should proceed 2 of us to court. I will insist that Nigerian police should proceed 2 of us, because 2 of us, our méjèèjì láti jọ ṣe yẹn. Tá bá wá dé court, ìwọ ló máa wá sọ fádájọ́ with time and date. Wọ́n máa bèrè pé ta ló kọ́kọ́ lọ, ìwọ ló kọ́kọ́ lọ. Wọ́n máa bèrè lọ́wọ́ tèmi. I did my own out of provocation, because lè máa bully mi, kẹ́ máa bully business mi, kẹ́ máa bully ọmọ mi kí máa wò yín. And we have to lecture a lot of youth àti àwọn àgbàlagbà tẹ́ ti sọdọ̀ lórí burúkú. It is still away some people's confidence. I remember when Iyabo was alive, when Iyabo was alive then. If they are blogging people, you will see Balele, an elderly man will be crying like a baby. Olórí burúkú ojú abẹ́, Obokirun, àwáyé má ṣe rere. Khadija Oseni, àwáyé má ṣe rere. If you see the way Khadija used to bully grown-up married men, I mean men with wives, If you see how these people rubbish, no, it's too much. So FM abaye je kó má say anybody tó máa checkmate yín, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Nítorí ìwèrè alákìísà la ṣe ní wèrè aláṣọ. Nítorí ìwèrè olórí burúkú afọ̀kú gbàbàrà la ṣe ní wèrè ṣiṣẹ́. Nobody is going to keep quiet for you. Nobody. As a matter of fact, according to the law, if you bully me, I will report you straight. And I will give you time. I can give you a year, 2 years. And I will come back. Since nothing is being done, I will come back for you. And when we get to the court, if you now rush to court or station, like what Iyabo did, I will now insist that they should charge 2 of us. Àwọn family oníkálùkù alọ́gbà àwa méjèèjì torí ẹ bá dẹ̀ máa takò ẹ́ wàá pàdé adájọ́ tó mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe á wá bù fún yín gidi gangan á bù fún yín tó pọ̀ ibi la wà náà kéèsì dúmàtà ibi ìbàyí la wà tẹ́ fi DPP yọ náà kéèsì dúmàtà nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ní dúmàtà tí n bá lọ síbẹ̀ tí mo lọ bẹ̀ physically tí mo kó èrò wọ bẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kejì tí mo dá gbogbo ẹrú kí ni wọ́n máa sọ wọ́n why do you take the law into your hands? So when I take the law to the owner of the law, what did they do? What did they do? What did they do? What happened at Idumata is another evidence for me. Tó bá wá fún mi n tí n bá ṣe fún àṣegbé ni tó bá dẹ̀ wá fún mi mo lè lọ fún physical kí n lọ fún spiritual mo dẹ̀ lè ṣì máa wẹ̀ kí n kàn máa lọ fún spiritual. You cannot give me and expect me to be cool. Ìwọ ò níṣẹ́ mi níṣẹ́ ẹ wo iṣẹ́ tí Iyabo Ojo ṣe mo fẹ́ kẹ́ listen sílẹ̀ so ṣé sister wa ìdí sọ̀rọ̀ tán mú gbọ́.
And I was trying to enlighten everybody that there is an act, and then somebody asked, "What is the punishment?"
This beautiful police has given you best advice. If you feel like anybody bully you, go to station, and you can go to court. If you think anybody bullies you, go to station or go to court. That is the best advice. Then I saw one on mi mo bóyá àǹtí mi court ẹ bọ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ Àmọ̀rí mo ti rí mi mo bóyá àǹtí Olúṣọlá court ẹ ọ̀dọ̀ Àmọ̀rí mo ti rí jẹ́ kí n wò advice tí mo fún yín nìyẹn náà ẹ rò pé ẹ̀yin lẹ máa bá tàwọn èèyàn jẹ́ okay another one lélẹ̀.
People saying Lizzy Anjorin, it's not only Lizzy Anjorin on social media. There is a lot of them on social media. They don't have to mention. Let's not mention names. If there's anybody, stop mentioning names. Stop mentioning names. It's not only. Let's not mention names. That is an allegation. And if you have proof, or
say you hear, if you have proof, proceed to court or station. Like me now, if you call me for any case, the whole Nigeria knows me. If you send me invitation, I will be there before the date. If you send me any police invitation, I will be, in fact, I can be sleeping there a month to the invitation day. I don't run from police invitation. I love police invitation. Because I have my evidence. I don't dupe people. If you pay me that you want to buy land, I will deliver the land to you. Since I've been selling my land, have you heard about any fraud case? You cannot. Despite the fact that you guys are doing evil. Ẹ ṣe ìkà. Bó ìkà tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn, tá bá lọ court tá bá lọ station, ẹ máa jẹ̀bi bó ẹ tún máa fún mi lówó ni. Na Lizzy Anjorin matter go kill na. I can't even stand what you guys did to her. Una never say anything. Ibriate. Ẹ ṣáà rí wọn. Ẹ máa gbọ́ bọ̀.
have concern or you are a victim. Exactly. Try and file a report. And like I said, there is a crime called cyber
cyber crime, cyber.
Why did they rush in to call him? They don't even know law. From Iyabo Ojo, Iyabo Ojo is a stark illiterate. Iyabo Ojo that does not even finish primary school. They are all stark illiterate. They are non-entity. But they thought police station and court is social media. They used to manipulate things. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you this. Let me just show you this, guys. Show only you. Mumbo. Let me show you this, guys. Mumbo. Okay. Emma Boyle. Emma Bo. Don't forget that the person crying in this video, she has given birth to 4 children, to 4 different men. 4 children. Imagine a grown-up woman with 4 children, 4 different fathers, coming on social media crying. When they were knocking at Toto, she no cry. They knock first one, knock third one, knock fourth one, knock second one. She no cry come. Epele ma agba se Iyabo Ojo ti sori buruku tomotomo ese. You don't understand? Imagine a grown-up woman coming on social media crying for donation. I want you to see this. I want you to. And the same Lizzy Anjorin is the one paying her house rent. Someone of 4 children from 4 different fathers. Yes, here. You people do not have monopoly of.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ wo, ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni mo wá lẹ́ni, because I don't have anything to give my children. Mo ò ní anything. Mo dẹ̀ jẹ́ ọkọ lówó torí ẹni ẹ̀wọ̀n mo ṣe sá kúrò ní.
Ilẹ̀ fowó ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo, you know, when this idiot came on social media, nobody could have believed that it was Iyabo Ojo, the packager. But I knew, because Iyabo Ojo called me. I knew Iyabo Ojo. This is not Iyabo Ojo's first project. Iyabo Ojo has been doing it for us. Now, listen, listen. Let's watch this one. You know me, I have a lot of Emma Renio. This person crying now. Emma Bo. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbádùn ilé. Àwọn ilé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn ilé. Ẹ lè bá mo ro èyàn tí Iyabo Ojo jẹ́. Ẹ má bọ̀ wá bá mi gbádùn ilé. Ọmọ mélòó ló bí fún Mr. Lawal jàre?
Bímọ méjì fún láti.
Ọmọ méjì. Ọmọ mélòó ló pè jàre ntí ẹ? Ọmọ mélòó?
Bímọ méjì fún láti.
Okay. Ọmọ méjì ló bí fún láti. Iyabo, ọmọ mélòó ló bí fún láti?
This lady with her 4 children rest.
Okay.
4 children she has.
Okay.
But her support.
Wait. So 4 children ní lọ́dọ̀ títí ẹ. Okay. Iyabo Ojo ní 4 children. Let's listen to another one.
But her supporter, she's a single mother of 3. She needs our support.
Did you hear that? Ẹ lè ṣe wọ́n nǹkan tó pa Mohbad. Mo ní ẹ̀yin sì jókòó. Ẹni ṣó ní kóòtù àti station. Èmi gan wá yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá tó máa rí géèmù tẹ́ ẹ gbá yìí tó wá rí àwọn èpè tí Iyabo máa fi mọ sàárì Priscilla àti Festus. A fẹ́ rí àwa ní kẹ́ máa lọlé. Ẹ máa wo géèmù, the same game Iyabo Ojo pull up lórí Naira Marley, the same game. Let me give you another this one. Mi ò fẹ́ pẹ́ lálẹ́ rárá. Listen to this.
Found out that he had mental health issues. Everything this boy has done for you, music-wise, is under your record label. How much